Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers, and once again I'm so excited, and the reason I'm so excited is because I have another project I'm working on, and happily I've found some really fun and exciting people to work on it with me. The project I'm talking about is the Olive Mill Restoration Project. Now, I've had this GoFundMe running for several months now. I think we got up to, we need 17,000 euros to renovate this cute little olive mill, and I'm going to go into the details on that in a minute. And we've got about $3,577 right now. So we need, I don't know what the difference is in euros and dollars and whatnot, but we need a little more to go. And recently I thought, we're going to take this over the top. We're going to take it down by New Year's Day 2022. That is the target. I want to have it fully funded by New Year's Day. So we got real excited and we did the video, which is the video that I just put up today, I think, where we went through and we videoed the little mill. We showed you exactly what needed to be done, where the money would be spent, more or less how much it's going to be, and what we're going to have at the end of the line. Now, this is a gift to Antonello and the village because he and they have been so great to us, welcoming us with open arms, making themselves available, sharing their rich cultural history, the food, the wines, everything about it. It's just been an absolutely glorious time for all of our guys. So we wanted a big fat thank you, and we think this is the best way to do it. Now, another exciting thing that I wanted to let you know about is that somehow, somewhere, a mysterious benefactor popped up. And that is exciting. This mysterious benefactor is agreeing to match every donation we get from today all the way through New Year's Day 2022. And with that, I know we can take this project down. We can take it right over the top. It's going to be so exciting. So, hey, thank you, mysterious benefactor. I don't even have words. So as soon as I heard that, of course, Pete and I talked and we went, oh, we want to donate $500 because $500 then becomes 1,000. And then Bonnie jumped in and she made a nice donation and hers is doubled as well. And then our beautiful Pat and Allison Hughes, who just bought a house up there and they're starting renovations. It's going to be gorgeous. So I wanted to invite you to go see the video. I'm putting a link down in the details section so you can see exactly what we're doing. Now, just to let you know, Antonello knows about this. He's very excited. Our mayor, Alfredo Lucchese, knows about this. He's very excited. And there's just a buzz going through the village that, look, all these people that came over the summer, look what they're doing for us. It's a really exciting time. So if you want to donate, go down, first watch the video, I insist, because you need to know. And then second, click the link for the GoFundMe and go make a sweet donation. That's going to be lovely. Now, at the end of the project, Antonello has said he wants to put up a plaque of all the people who donated so that it can be right there in the mill for everyone who goes through it can see who cared enough to give this village this beautiful gift. I think the whole thing is just so wonderful, and it just makes my Christmas heart grow 10 sizes today, like the Grinch, right? So anyway, thank you, mysterious benefactor. Thank you, Bonnie, and thank you, Pat and Allie. You guys are just so awesome. I think we're going to take this thing down. I think we're going to see our little mill in the next several months, maybe. And I think that it's going to really make the people in our beautiful village super happy. So thanks, you guys, and I'll see you soon.